Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to today's video. This is a very simple hair growth spray using only one ingredient. This will bring back your hair to life. It's going to help you promote hair growth. It's going to help you stop alopecia, thinning hair, and also dry scalp. To make this hairspray, I'm going to be using only one ingredient, and that is fenugreek powder. You can make use of your fenugreek seed, or you can easily blend your fenugreek seed to get the fenugreek powder. So make sure you go in with hot water, then you go ahead to add 2 spoons of your fenugreek powder depending on the amount you're making. This amount I'm making, I'm just going to use it once and just once. So if you want to make it and store it in the fridge for some days, you can increase the amount of the water and also the amount of the fenugreek. So after infusing this for an hour, I went ahead to filter it, and also I went ahead to add my hair growth oil. This hair growth oil is very potent, guys. The video of this oil is going to come up very soon. You really need to make this oil, guys. This is a real deal. Like, the oil is very good for hair growth, and it is very easy to make. The video is going to be coming up very soon on the channel, so I just go ahead to give it a good stir, and I'm going to transfer it to my spray bottle.